watch another video. Before we get into today's vlog, it's a really fun vlog. Something completely different too. There's not much car stuff, but I think you guys will enjoy it still. Anyways, before we get into the vlog though, I want you guys to know that we have 2 or maybe 1 more day until the Corvette merch drops. This drops on Friday, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, California time. It's been a while since we've done merch, but we are finally dropping a new shirt. And the feedback that I've been getting, everybody, even including all the homies, they're all telling me that this is their favorite drop they've ever seen. So I'm excited for it. I cannot wait for you guys to get it. I was going for like that old school vintage NASCAR theme. The whole design looks distressed and vintage, which looks really, really cool. I've also never done this before, but we distressed all the edges of the shirts. The bottom, the sleeves are all distressed, as well as the neck tag too. So you guys can get all this distressing on it. Same with the design. It's on a washed gray shirt. It's fire. And I get a lot of questions too asking if it's oversized. I would say it's true to size. Order your own size. If you wear a large, order a large. Unless you like wearing more baggy shirts, I could size up. But other than that, I would just recommend just getting true to size, whatever your size is. 12 p.m. August 15th, this Friday, the Corvette shirts are dropping, bro. Don't miss out. Very, very limited. There's only a couple of these shirts, all right? Stay tuned, guys. We got a lot of mods on the way for that car. The car is beautiful. It already looks super good. We already did everything cosmetic-wise, but now we got to build the engine, which we got the cams in the mill. We got, what else did we get? The push rod, a bunch of stuff, bro. Everything for the motor to get this thing chopping, dude, which I cannot wait. That is the main reason why I bought this car, is just to have that Corvette chop. We should be installing that very, very soon. We have everything upstairs. You guys don't understand how impatient I am just seeing all the parts in my living room every single morning and not in the freaking engine yet. But soon, bro. Once this thing is cammed, I think it might be my favorite car in the fleet. Look how good it looks. But anyways, let's get into the rest of the video because today's video is sick. Let's go. What a surprise. We're at the gas station. Guys, how many times do I pump gas, bro? This is getting ridiculous now. In one of the last vlogs, I pumped gas 3 times. I filled up all 3 of my cars in one vlog. That was crazy. But we're filling up the G80 today because we are going on a long road trip. We're doing a lot today. We're actually gonna stop by my boy Dandy's warehouse. He told me pull up. I've never been there before, but my boy Dandy, you guys seen his SVJ in the last video and his other Lambos in the other videos. He has so many cars. But Dandy Hats, he's killing it right now. He just got a crazy warehouse. I have not been there yet, but it's like the fantasy factory. So go check it out. I'm sure he'll have some cool cars there. Then later on, we're gonna meet up with Oblivion. You guys might know who Oblivion is. He's killing it right now streaming. But we've been trying to link for a long time because he wants to see the G80. He recently just got a G80. Oh my God.
Coca-Cola for $4.50 or $3.
Oh my God, put too much 85, guys. Hold up. I put way too much 85. Oh my God, dude. Uh-oh. Like I was saying though, we're meeting with Oblivion. He just got a G80 as well. He's been wanting to see mine. He also wants to go air stofting today. We're gonna pull up. I'm gonna have David come with me, some of the homies. But we gotta figure this out. I might have put too much 85. Max, I should have put like 6 gallons. Almost 10 gallons of 85. I don't know what's gonna happen, dude. I feel like if I call Sam right now, he's gonna be like, bro, why do you keep doing this? Because I've done it before, but not that much. The car is on E40. But that's like, we're almost full 85 now. I think he said if it does have too much E, it'll just like cut out and probably go on limp mode. So hopefully that's the case. There's no way that's it. Nah, I need more 91 than that, bro. Give me more. I really hope nothing happens, dude. Bro, I gotta stop pumping gas and vlogging because I don't pay attention to the gallons. It always happens when I'm vlogging. I'm not paying attention. E55, E60. We're supposed to be on E40, bro. All right, we made it. The fantasy factory. Dude, this is crazy, huh? What's up, David?
Oh, you need one.
Look, it's like your initials, kind of.
It's my warehouse?
Your warehouse? We just made it to Danny's warehouse. This is my first time being here, but it is crazy. He says it's a mess. I don't think it's a mess, but they're just preparing for a huge drop that they're gonna do this weekend, actually. This drop is crazy, huh?
This week?
Yeah, this weekend. Oh, David's hyped because Dandy's collabing with freaking... let me just show you the hats. Look what it says. With Canelo, bro. How crazy is that? Dandy is killing it, dude. Like, that is insane.
Hey, bro, you can't record that, dog.
What's up? Dandy hats.
To the Dandy compound.
The Dandy Fantasy Factory?
Dandy Fantasy. It's a mini version. Hopefully, in the future, I can make an actual big where I can drift cars in here.
That'll be sick. But it's still sick in here. Dandy wood?
I think I could do a little donut right there.
I could probably do it.
Yeah?
Let me try it.
when I leave, I'm down.
No, but this is insane, bro. You're doing a collab with Canelo. Like,
No Alvarez, man.
how does it feel?
You know what, bro?
Crazy?
It feels amazing. It feels unrealistic. I haven't really like
Soaked it in,
yet because I'm nervous because you know I'm trying to impress him with my brand. Like you know, it's
Yeah.
So hopefully after it sells, like that's when I'll be like.
Yeah. And you're always busy, bro, so it's hard to soak things in, you know what I
very
mean?
hard to soak things in because if it's not one thing, it's another, and it's like I have a day or two to be like, okay, I did it.
Yeah.
But then it's crazy though because, like, I think sometimes at night I think about like, man, I did a collab with this one, that one, this one. Fuck, fool. Like,
It's
when
crazy,
like,
bro.
Actually, it's just like, you know, you forget, right?
Yeah.
It's like you listen to a song, you're like, fuck, I did a collab with that.
It's
you know?
crazy,
Like,
bro.
it's sick, bro.
I know. Well, from the outside, it looks insane, dude.
So yeah.
It's crazy,
The
bro.
inside is just kind of like, well, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of.
Yeah. When I first met you, you were barely getting like up there, you know what I mean?
We're really like becoming a little bit popular, bro.
Yeah. But like I saw from there, it went like super fast. It's crazy, bro.
You know what I mean? You've done a lot for the brand as well, so.
That's sick, dude.
Appreciate it, man.
Congrats. This is insane.
Canelo Alvarez, bro.
It's crazy, huh? Dave is hyped because he loves Canelo, bro. This hat is my favorite because it matches my car. This is hard. Yeah, the quality on these is just insane, guys. Buy a Dandy ass so you can see the quality.
You guys want Finding Nick hats or what?
I know. We gotta make something. Make a sick hat.
That was pretty sick too, bro.
No, but no.
If you had to
Sick,
pick
no,
one.
You're saying pretty sick.
that one's
sick
sick.
one.
That one's
one. I feel like that's the.
Yeah, that one's hard too.
That one's sick, huh?
This one, and this one are probably like the crowd favorites.
Yeah, this one's clean, bro.
Told you, look at that shit, just hard.
And they're dropping this weekend, so
Yeah, on Sunday.
don't sleep. Even though I'm
I don't know if
probably
you
gonna sound.
I don't know if you have any Canelo fans in there, but
Bro, for sure,
I
bro.
feel like everyone's Mexican that watches this. Fool.
What are you gonna do collab with next, bro? Like, what's next?
Canelo's pretty big, bro.
I know.
Fuck, so
How do you
we
top
have-
that, bro?
So check this out. I'm gonna tell you guys, right? I'm gonna give you guys like how do you say like initials?
So,
I'm gonna give you
abbreviations.
the abbreviations of the next collab. It's an L and a B.
Ah.
You guys do the.
Me, they're just thinking, I don't know.
I'll tell you guys right now. I'll count them.
Oh, duh. I already.
You got it?
That's gonna be crazy though, bro.
Yeah, that one's gonna be like put me like it's in a different like
Category for
whole
sure.
ass different realm. I call it
Yeah.
realm. It's a whole ass different realm.
Nah, it's gonna be sick, dude. You're killing it,
So
bro.
we have a lot of like cool shit next year with like American brands coming out.
Yeah.
Your guys' favorite American brands, we're gonna do collab with them.
That's crazy.
I got it now.
That's sick, dude. Stay tuned for the Canelo collabs. This is gonna be sick this weekend.
It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna break records, numbers.
Nah, this is gonna be sick, bro. So, for sure, bro.
Probably to the date is the best collab of Dandy.
Bro, I told Danny I get excited for him, bro. Like every time you post something or a new car, bro, I get just as happy. I
Nick
think
is always posting my shit, so it's dope.
I get super hyped, bro. I just like seeing him do these things, dude. You're like the only person that really motivates me. I feel like around me, like in the biggest motivator for sure. And he's always trying to get free game and everything like that. And me and David always talk about it. I feel like because I don't know, you kind of just grew up like us.
Yeah.
Like, bro, you got this on your wrist, but you're still the same person, bro. Like you just kick it with us. I don't know, it's crazy.
Matter, bro. This ain't shit.
No, of course.
This can get jacked tomorrow.
No, but some people just aren't humble, bro. And Danny's the most humble person ever, bro.
I'm myself, bro. I feel
Yeah.
like that's why I've gotten to where I'm at because I'm always myself.
Yeah.
I don't try to be someone I'm not.
Mm-hmm.
So if I'm cool with niggas because I'm cool with them, not because like all this
Yeah.
social media shit, but I'm cool with them because he's
Yeah.
the guy. So I'm cool with him. If you make a shot from right there, in there, I'm gonna give you one free.
Yeah, got it.
No, bro.
You're gonna be
No.
the first person with the Canelo.
Oh
Make
shit!
that shot.
You gonna have it a week before it comes out. David's gonna go post that shit for sale. Just kidding.
So you make that ball in there and you get
Try it.
one shot. One shot. Hey, David's buff though. That fool's buff.
He's getting buff, huh? I don't know. I feel like you got pressure right now. Oh, you're so close. I can't make
You
it.
gotta do one now. If you make it, you can get.
Alright, let me try.
Alright.
Bro, I suck at basketball.
You think he got it?
I mean, you got Jordans on.
When you go to the fair with your girl, you gotta win something? Bro, I can't win nothing, bro.
Well, maybe
Bro, you should see.
today's the day.
You should see him actually, bro. Bro, last time we were at the fair, bro, he wasted like I don't know how much just on tickets, bro, to try to win a gift. I'm like, bro. Oh my, he owes Danny now. Oh my God, he owes Danny.
I think the rim's messed up.
That fool's rigged, huh?
It's rigged.
Yeah, it's rigged, huh?
Danny's also watch shopping today, which I told him I want to vlog it. Because I love watches, bro.
This is where we do our meetings. But today we're gonna, I'm not sure we're gonna buy some watches. We're gonna look at some watches.
Like, you gotta buy a watch on the vlog. I'm gonna force you to do it.
And then you guys, guess what?
We need a YouTube title. No, I'm just kidding.
He's finally doing something you guys always wanted to do.
Buy David a watch?
Which one? Which one
This
is
is
it?
David's dream watch, bro. I know it is.
I want to know which one, but I love that brand.
I wonder which one it is too.
So yeah, this is cool. We get to see a little behind the scenes of like what Dandy's doing on his regular basis.
It's awesome. Hey, I don't do this all the time. It just happened to boil up today where they're gonna bring me some watches. So
Yeah, I came on the right day.
Yeah, don't think that I'd be doing this every week and shit. Like,
Just want to be coming up every day with some watches, or
right, imagine
Every day some new set of watches.
instead of Uri, just like Uber watches, or what?
Damn.
2025 John Major. Just for undisputed champions.
So guys, I'm trying to buy a watch for Canelo. So that's gonna be like my little appreciation for Canelo. So I told my boy right here, I was like, hey man, like, what's a cool watch that I can, you know, get for Canelo? Because Canelo has, I'm pretty sure he has all the watches, right? He has
A
a gang
lot
of
of
watches.
watches.
We have some crazy
So
ass pieces.
we kind of like, oh, well, he probably doesn't have this one. So I mean, this is kind of like the one. Well,
Yeah.
And you're gonna gift it to
Very
him.
good.
hopefully I can give it to him if they give me a good price.
Always.
Good price.
Always. Now it's full gold, all the chronometer.
Nice, you like it?
Mistake. Clean.
If I bought
And
you
it's
this, what would
very-
you do?
I'll take it.
And you know, it's like this watch. It's for lefties.
Oh,
They
okay.
say that it's changed look.
You're a lefty, no?
No.
No, you're not.
I thought you were, right?
Bro, if you
I'm
would've said,
lefty,
if you
hey.
would have said yes, I would have bought it for you.
I think I am actually. I think I write better with the left.
You know, guys, I had this watch, but something happened, so I don't have it anymore. But yeah, fuck this watch. I don't want the watch. So normally the Rolexes they come on this side,
Yeah.
but this one comes on the opposite side.
I think it's the
Yeah.
only Rolex, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
the only Rolex that
It's
comes on
like-
the side.
For lefty.
Bad man or bad girl?
Bad girl, sorry, bad girl.
See, I never had this one.
Then I'll stick with the Jubilee.
Yeah,
2024.
full set. So I got my whole team Rolexes for Christmas last year.
Yeah, that was sick.
Yeah.
So this year we're gonna get them cars now.
Everyone got one. Look at.
Oh yeah, so I got this one for my cousin too.
It was a very good sale in December.
I did very well.
My kids have very good presents. Thanks to Leo and his big purchase.
This is small.
It's a girl watch, no?
It's small like this.
I thought buy for a girl.
Josephine needs that, huh?
Yeah.
Nah, she don't need it. I think. Just kidding.
There's a tech box.
Aí
right there, bro.
patek.
Look at David.
Bro, I want-
David's about to jump over the table.
One day I'll get a Patek. Maybe 2, 5, 10, 20 years I'll get a Patek.
Actually came in a whole case and everything.
That shit pretty.
That's crazy.
So it's a new box?
Knew everything, motherfucker.
Honestly,
It's the
best
newest thing you ever seen in your life.
I really don't like Pateks. I had one before, but something happened to it. Something happened to it. I'm very particular with these watches. I only like one type of watch that they make.
Damn. What do you think?
2025, full rings, full everything.
they're more square, huh?
It has AI with it.
Okay, yeah. This one?
No, I'm kidding.
I was like, it has like Siri,
No,
bro.
try it,
Oh, you can
please.
talk to it.
You guys
Give
believe
me
me?
your G-Shock.
You guys the G-Shock, look at that.
This is a G-Shock.
This is a G-Shock compared to this one?
Nah.
No.
Sick, bro.
It is pretty sick, a square like
Thank
that.
you, bro.
Yeah, you like it?
I like it.
No, I really don't like it.
It's different. My dream watch, bro.
That one's sick. You want to look at it? Try it on.
Nah, I'm scared.
Try it on.
You got time to buy it right now.
Yeah, I'll take this watch
Yeah,
just in
just
case you take that one.
It is so different though, huh?
It's just like way more elegant, bro. Like I feel like that's like
It's kind of small.
it looks small, right?
Yeah.
Want to buy for you?
Yeah, please.
I'll buy it off of you now.
You want to? I'll trade you. I'll trade you that one.
The camera, the car.
You need all
The
my
chains.
cards. Yeah, everything.
Rangers about a Richard Millie, bro.
I know.
We're waking
Rich.
up. Insert a picture of this for here. About a Richard Millie, bro. I don't even have a Richard Mille.
He's rich.
That was rich.
We're going to bring Leo's a Richard Mille this week.
You gotta do it. Your first one.
No, I yesterday I tried on his, bro. I don't know. It's too big. It's too big for
Nah,
like, I don't
but
know.
come on, you're a big man.
Yeah. It's just too
Big boss.
Yeah, I don't know.
All right, that was sick. Behind the scenes.
I need to
Look at it. Go shadow box him, dude. A little spar. I think Dandy will let you out.
Bro, you better not take a shit in my
No, I need to fit.
Don't be taking shit.
Don't trust him, bro.
He's stupid.
You promise you won't take a shit.
No.
Alright, you can walk up there.
Okay.
But don't take a shit.
Yeah, don't take a shit in my bathroom, bro.
Shout out to Dandy for the little tour and just bringing us along. He really does not have to, but don't talk Canelo, all right? But that is super sick, and that just shows the kind of guy that Dandy is, huh? Dandy got me a watch?
That was expensive, bro. I didn't think that watch is that much.
Yeah. I swear, every time I leave from hanging out with Dandy, I get super motivated, bro. Like, you gotta put yourself around people like that. Every time I'm with him, he leaves me just motivated to want to go do more, you know? Especially like just seeing his success, his cars, you know? I love cars. But from like the day I met him to now, bro, he's grown like crazy. But that just shows like all the hard work he's been putting in. Like this dude works hard, bro. And he's smart. Like he's very, very smart. And like I said, a lot of people will gatekeep a lot of stuff, you know? Like Dandy's like literally the most humble person. He gives you free game. Every time I'm with him, bro, he just always like motivating me or giving me some kind of advice. And I'm just hyped. I'm hyped for him. And even like this collab, bro, like that is insane. A collab with Canelo. I bet you he never thought that would happen. It's crazy because I'm sure when he barely started the hat thing, never in his mind did he think that was gonna happen. Like, it must feel so crazy. Because I feel like I've gotten a little bit of that, you know, like getting my R8. Never did I think I would own an R8. And it's the craziest feeling in the world. We gotta do a car tour too. He told me that we could probably pull up and do a full car tour of all his cars one day. I know you guys would love to see that. Dandy got a lot of cars. Cars that I haven't even showed you guys yet. But now we got an hour drive and we're gonna meet up with our boy Oblivion. I told you guys we're gonna be driving a lot today.
We're second, bro. Help! We're second.
Oh my, bro, this clutch is bunk. I can smell that shit.
Oh, hey, why is it burning and shit?
Yeah.
The weight is just broken, bro.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.